Have you ever asked yourself why some traders are making a lot of money, while others lose everything in just a couple of days? Then keep watching because this video is for you, especially if you are ready to leveling up your own trading game. Crypto Kings Hub classes are available for $40 per hour. We can do them face-to-face here in Siem Reap or online through a video call, where I share my screen and guide you step by step through the course. Each session lasts 3 to 4 hours, as anything longer becomes less effective. Sessions are limited to 1 per week to keep the quality high. If this price feels a bit high to you, consider becoming a Patreon member. Patreon members get $10 off per hour when they hire me as a private teacher. My teaching classes are perfect for beginners and intermediate traders. Now it's time for a free tip that will change the way you trade. When trading altcoins, never overlook charts like USDT and BTC dominance. These charts are telling us much more than you might realize. Watch this example and you will understand why. My classes are packed with lots of examples like these, along with key insights and self-made summaries. Several traders have already seen major improvements in their results through my guidance. Please, remember this. Trade smarter and win bigger. Next, here is a quick summary of what I will teach you. Read TradingView charts like a pro. And recognize useful trading patterns. Protect your capital with risk management strategies. Scan the crypto market effectively and spot the right moment to switch coins. Short crypto the smart way while understanding the risks. Time your entries and exits for the biggest rewards. I hear you thinking, how long will this take? That depends on your starting knowledge, what you want to learn, and how fast you pick things up. I will explain everything until you are confident enough to trade on your own. Here is a small challenge. The first 5 viewers who can name this trading pattern correctly will receive a free, powerful trading tip from me. Write your answer in the comments, and I will get back to you. Now tell me, are you ready to take your trading skills to the next level by my side? Then stop wasting valuable time and reach out to me right away. My contact details and other useful information are mentioned in the description below. Take action now, because the sooner you start, the sooner you trade like a pro, and the sooner you increase your own profits. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. And hopefully, I will be welcoming you soon to one of my private crypto classes.